Okay, guys, so we're playing Among Us, but I'm muted and they're all muted as well. But I am innocent, and we're only four people, so it's gonna be hard because we're in a private server as well. So, but like when we when we report the body or emergency meeting, we're gonna unmute and let's see who's the imposter. Okay, so I'm very scared for my life. I'm literally scared. I wish nobody died yet. Unless. Wait, there's a task right there. I didn't even see anybody yet. Only like few people, but not really. Okay, go chop chop. I'm running. Please nobody kill me, please. Really, I'm like really safe here, so it's like very like not very noisy, cause we're muted. Duh. But like I wish nobody kills me. White died. Guess what? Dea died in the hallway. And I'm vlogging cause why not? I think it's I think it's Jade. I don't know. I just have a feeling. I think it's Jade. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh no. Why me? Oh, okay guys, sorry. I'm not the imposter. No, I'm not the imposter. And I am not imposter. I hate you guys. See, I told you, you didn't listen to me, You didn't listen to me, Candice. You didn't listen to me, Candice. I hate you. No, it's okay. Can you please shut up? Can you please shut up? Cause I'm vlogging. Shut up. Okay. Actually, ikaw, yeah, wait. Si ikaw, Jade, can you be brown? Para like lahat tayo like natural colors. Tsaka ikaw Candice, black ka. So para maganda. White, gray, brown, black. Yan. Tsaka ikaw Candice. Oh no, she's green. Okay, mute. Okay guys, we're here and I'm still innocent. Dang it. I don't know why I'm still innocent. By the way, oh my goodness. Yeah, sure. Okay, I'm gonna be scared if someone like literally killed me. Okay, good. Wait, like seriously, I'm scared for my life. Okay, don't kill me, please. Please, don't kill me. I am just an innocent person waiting. Oh no, wrong one. Okay, task completed. Okay, I hope nobody died yet. I don't know, I just have a feeling someone died yet. So, I think nobody's still, or like, okay, nobody's here. But I think one of them is gonna die. And this is Roblox, because we can't even download Among Us in real life, because why not? Oh no! Wait! Wait! Where is it? Oh no. Oh, they fixed it. They fixed it. It's no big of a problem. Okay, good. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Kill me or not, kill me or not, kill me or not. Please don't kill me. I am the innocent person. And if you kill me, I don't know what to do, actually. But yeah. I think Candace killed um I think Candace killed. No, don't, please, please, please. No, please don't. No. Please! Where's the emergency meeting? Emergency meeting. Emergency. Wait, I'm scared because I didn't did my task there. Candace trying to follow me. And I don't know where's the emergency meeting and I am scared. Where's the emergency meeting? I don't literally know where's the emergency meeting. Why did you say report my body? Oh, okay. It's Bea. Yeah, katabi ko lang si Candice like early. Eh, akala ko imposter siya. Eh, pero no. So, no. No. pero like hindi hindi kasi like tumakbo ako kasi wait. Tumatakbo ako kasi nagfa-follow sa akin si Candice kaya akala ko imposter. Pero yung nag-look ba? Pero yung nag-look ba yung like yung tatas lang ako sa like lobby. Biglang yung pagtingin ko namatay si Bea. So, hindi namatay si Candice. So, I think it's Bea. Hi, sorry. uh, let's see. Oh, why? Palagi si Jade. Palagi si Jade. I hate you, Jade. Yeah, I know. Yan yung sasabihin ko sana. Pero like, I have a feeling that ikaw, pero no. Okay, how did you get like a pet? How did you get pets? Hoy, paano kayo nagkuha ng pet? Wala akong credits. I don't have money. Should I buy money? Cause I don't have money. Can you buy can you buy? Can you buy credits? Oh, you can. 100 Robux for 100. No. 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 Yeah, I know, right? Okay, let's pick this one, whatever. I wish I'm gonna be. Ikaw kasi Candice, dapat wag mo sabihin report my body. Okay, mute. Bye-bye, guys. Okay. It's gonna be scary. And I am still innocent. I'm still innocent. Oh. I'm still innocent. Ratatata. Ratatata. I am really scared for my life. How many times did I say that? Okay. Okay, that's it. Really? Okay. Wait. Should I go? Shut up. Oh man. Oh man. Please don't kill me, please. Who wanna join me in a med may scan? Go in the med bay. I think they like suspected me like. Okay, no one is joining me in the med bay. So I guess I have to do it myself then. Where is it? Wait. What is the like katabi niya? Ano yung katabi niya? Nothing? Like hallway talaga? Cause I'm in the medical. I'm in the med bay and no one is like watching me. And no one is watching me. Why? Ayun na naman siya. No, I'm in the med bay. Diba yun? I hate you. No! I didn't! I'm innocent! I just like finished my task and you're not like... Okay, now vote. Bea, just vote. Bea, just vote. Vote. Just vote. Why me? I'm not sus. I'm crying. I'm not even sus. Why do you keep on voting me? I'm not even imposter. Do you know I'm the bad luck here? Cause I've never been imposter. And like 3 rounds now. No, it's no. I hate you guys. Let's go to Crystal thingy. Nadu babo baby babu baby 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 ya babo boy abu boy Di ba dati ba yan, pumunta tayo dito, tsaka biglang naging imposter tayo, pero namatay tayo. Kasi diba, magkatabi kasi tayo. Okay, let's go. Oh, mute, I forgot. No, innocent na naman ako! Okay. Why? I don't get it. I'm still innocent. I am still innocent and I am done with it. I don't I don't get it. Why am I innocent? I am just like sad. I don't know what to do, but I'm feeling 22. Okay, I'm gonna finish my task, guys. Yeah, I just saw it. Kaming dalawa ni I think it's I think I really don't know. It could be Candice. Tsaka like, like paikot-ikot lang siya tsaka nakita lang like ganun. I think it's Candice. I'm sorry. This is our final line. Okay, just vote. I told you paikot-ikot kasi si Candice eh. Yay! Finally. Wait lang. Goodbye, guys. Bye.